Alright, dude, this is Katie. And this is a fucking spoonful of cinnamon.
Tim, it's true, you can do it. I'm gonna prove
We're
it
gonna,
to you.
yeah, we're proving you wrong.
Tim, are you ready? Dude, I don't think I can.
Do it.
Dude, I'm gonna puke everywhere.
No, that's why I put the paper towels
I'm
down.
gonna throw up.
You put the paper towels down.
I can't believe
Dude, spit it.
You got me in right.
Dude.
Oh, that's so gross. If I swallowed it, I would throw it up. Oh my god.